besties, welcome to my YouTube channel. Kama kop ma spice ma we wana but I guess they are happy, that's why wananirukia. Oh, Spice Didi. Oh, beautiful Spice Didi. Kopro.
What kopro?
Oh, this poppy cop, and I'm so happy because we are at the village. Kopro, sasa nikiguza mmoja, nisiguze huyo mwingine. See how happy she is. Kwa sababu tumekuja. The other one is there. Actually huyu hapendi kufungiwa, analalanga pale. The baby girl ndo hufungiwa. So today I'm with my mom. Mama, hebu tuambie tunafanya nini leo kwanza?
Leo tunaweka fertilizer. Kwa tea plantation. So that the yield
will increase, eh?
Yeah. Usipoweka fertilizer, the yield will not increase.
Itabaki to the same,
the same, eh?
Yeah.
So that is why we are here at home today.
These are some of the leftovers zenye tulipika jana.
Yes.
And we decided to bring it to Olete. Poppy cop and spice. Kopro matiga gawa namnawe. So at least ndo wakule so that they always feel they are loved. Na wa feel poor. They always know anytime we visit home, we must bring them something. And since they are carnivorous animals, we decided to give them, I prefer giving them raw meat. Ndo wa feel poor. Wasiwai toka huku. Spice, that's now. Yes, this is the raw meat. Actually nearly by 100 bob. And then sasa ndo nikamletea. Is like more of a treat. Sababu ya kukanga. Spice Didi. Love you. That's Poppy Cop. Yeah. Poppy. Alafu sijui kaa kwenye kuna kuanga na plums. You see, sasa hii ni mtunda ya plums. And they are kinda hazijaripe bado. Hii ni kuonyeshana tumekaribia msimu wa Christmas. That's why unaona zimeanza kukua hivyo. Yeah, and dad is still resting over there. Ilifika kama nimeenda kumwangalia. This is a fertilizer in here. As she said, tunawekanga ndo majani increase, eh?
Yeah.
Alafu
and the tiri itatoka zaidi.
Inaongezea zaidi.
Na tena itakuwa nzito.
Oh.
Also the weight will increase.
Yeah, what we usually do, despite everything, we are trying to make our home ikae venye tu ilikuwa. Let's see whether they will come after us as in Poppy Cop. And as you can see, it's sunny though kulikuwa kunanyesha, it's cloudy. This avocado tree, Daddy planted it for us because we were always like hatuna avocados. As you can see kuna some tumatunda ziko. This is the avocado tree. So ni tudogo ziko bado. Mom, sisi yako bado. Yeah, and now nimeva gumboots because it's so steepy and we are at the slopes of Aberdare ranges. As you can check over there, that's Aberdare, and the other side ndo kuna kwa na Mount Kenya.
Kikimbia sana.
I'm telling you besties, ukiteremka lazima ukuwe na brakes za miguu kwa sababu hey, neza anguka tu. I don't know why our dogs haven't followed us mpaka now. Kama it's kwa sababu it's so slopey, ma.
Maybe
they feel like that's no.
Ama uwaite.
Guys! Spice! Kopro!
Nowhere to be seen.
Nowhere to be seen or found.
Wameogopa
hii mteremko. Spice!
Hizi laini nilipakisha juu Kulinyesha, sikuweza kumalizia.
Hukuweza kumaliza.
Kuja sasa leo, ndiposa tuweze
kumalizia.
Alafu tuteremke pale. Msaidizi ametupepea 2 bags of fertilizer. Ni za kuweka pale. Na tukimalizia hapa tutateremka kule chini.
Wow.
Sawa.
Okay, so it's like this.
You can see.
Nenda tu kimwaga kidogo kidogo. That's how it's done. Mom kwa sababu amezoea, naona akifanya haraka na she knows where to step and where not to step at. Yeah, that's it. See an example of how you place the fertilizer hapo hivyo kwa soil. Weki juu ya majani. Yeah. Oh, I thought they wouldn't come. You can imagine. Huko kote mahali tumetoka na tunaenda hivi. And one thing I remember, I used to come with my dad, with my sister, kwa kale kamtoka kwa pale, sijui kama mnaweza kaona pale. In that car depression. Na hapo hivyo ndo tuko tunakuja, kaenda tunaogelea. With our dad, and we'd be so happy. Spice, tukoroke. It was the best, but kuchoka yenye leo nitachoka. So hapa panaitangwa Kamuiganano kwa sababu it's flat. It's a river. It's called River Irate. And even ndo kuna kazi. So we used to go with my dad over there, with my sister, and we would drink the water kwa sababu it's so cold. Ba! Si venye yako serious kusikiza nini. Thank you, Poppy Cop. My Spice, I like your tail, spicy, so whitish. Come, Spice. Spice, just come. You're done. Cobra hataki kuachwa nyuma, anataka kutuongoza. Mama ako mbele. And you are done for the day. Yeah. Seated. Hey. He's so tired. Butulia hapa baba. Na pants. Wezi, ako wapi bibi yako? Ako wapi bibi yako Spice? Cop. Where's your wife, Spicy? She's tired. That's the end of the video. If you really enjoyed this kind of video, comment down below and tell me ni kitu gani imekubamba kwa all the video. Remember, not skip the ads. At least watch 2 to 3 ads, and then the rest unaweza skip. Yeah, always like the video before watching. Okay, share it if you feel like you can share it to your friend. Maybe ameboeka anataka kufeel set up, ama your friend loves these kinds of content. Naweza msukumia pia. Yeah, bye Turus, love you. Mwah.